Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Clinic. In this episode, we will show you how to filter data dynamically. Before we start, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The table here shows some random numbers for Excel Clinic's sales report. It contains information for product details, selling price, and etc. If I want to filter the data based on a certain criteria, how should I do it? One way of doing it is to use the auto filter functions here. However, this may not be a dynamic solution. Let me show you the more productive way. First, let's make the sales data into a table format. Go to Insert, Table. Next, let's set the criteria to be filtered first. For example, I want to know what's the sales amount, be it cash payment or bank transfer as of today. In the criteria table, the formula for period equals to month, bracket today, open close bracket, and another close bracket, so that it will always show the current month. For the payment method, I will create a drop-down list for us to select the method we want. As you can see, the payment method in the sales table has duplicate values. That we have to get unique values from this column and add those unique values to the drop-down list of the criteria table. Go to another tab, type equal unique. Select the row without header. The unique list is shown now. Now let's go back to the criteria table. Go to data, data validation, select list, select the range you want to include. Please note to select the whole of column A here, as the rows will expand automatically if a new payment method is added to the sales report. Next, let's go to the Filter Data tab to write a formula to filter the data based on the criteria set in the criteria table. The Excel formula I'm going to use is filter. Before we proceed, let's take a look at the arguments for the filter formula. Every will be the sales data in the table, include, which is supplied as criteria, which is the condition which we want to set. Let's say I want to know how much cash I have on hand so that I can deposit. There are two conditions in this scenario. One is payment method equals to cash, and the other one is the date equals to today's month. If empty, meaning if the value is not found, what value should be returned? For this one, we can input maybe no value. Okay, now let's type equal filter. Every equals to whole sales data table. Condition 1 will be the period in the sales table, which equal to the criteria table's period. Followed by star sign to connect the second condition, which is payment method in the sales table will equal to the payment method selected in the criteria table. If no value found, we want it to be written as no value. Now the result shows no value, as there is no data for cash payment for period 8. Let's change the payment method to bank transfer. Ta-da! The filtered data based on the multi-criteria shows now. Feel free to change the payment method from the drop-down list. The data will be updated instantly. Let's add one more payment method to the data source. Example, TT. You can see all the tabs are updated accordingly. The TT payment method is added to the drop-down list as well. Let's give some sales data to the newly added payment method. Go to the drop-down list now and select TT. You can see the data is updated instantly. You don't have to use the auto filter function manually filter the data now. Hope you guys enjoy this episode and see you guys next week.